And I am stopped by this evening, and I got my 2 postcards here.
Yes.
And I'm looking, and I'm like, yes, I know these T-shirts. I was about to say earlier that, you know, they were showcased on my my fashion show.
Yes, your fashion event. Yes.
Yes,
You were actually the first person to showcase them.
Really?
Yes.
And you know, it went live.
I did not know that.
Yes, man.
But I saw the stream that you sent me, though.
There you go.
Yes.
That's it. That's it. So
Yeah.
we're glad to have you here this evening, as always. And ladies and gentlemen, we're going to be talking about the 2016 Olympics. They are here, and we're inviting you to get your Team Jamaica gear. You can get it in black, green. We're going to talk about
Yes, we
the spicing them up a little
yes,
bit.
we have various colors.
Colors,
Yes.
colors. But before we do, how many people are planning to go to Rio? Well, if you're not planning to go to Rio, then here is a feel of what is happening over there in Rio right about now. This is the theme song for this year. So I'm going to play a little bit of it, and then we start talking to Jeff. Stay with me, don't go anywhere.
I messed up tonight. I lost another fight. I still myself, but I'll just start again. I keep falling down. I keep on hitting the ground, but I always get enough to see what's next. Birds don't just fly, they fall down and get up. Nobody learns without getting it wrong. I won't give up, no, I won't give in until I reach the end, and then I'll start again. No, I won't leave. I wanna try everything. I wanna try even though I could fail. I won't give up, no, I won't give in until I reach the end, and then I'll start again. No, I won't leave. I wanna try everything. I wanna try even though I could fail. Try everything.
That's the voice of Shakira, Try Everything, the Rio 2016 Summer Olympic Games theme song. You know, I had to find it. I had to find the appropriate song that would mirror what we're talking about this evening. So, Jeff, tell us what is landwelove.com.
Well, landwelove.com is a new e-commerce platform, the first phase of which is to sell/market gear for the 2016 Olympic Games in support of the Jamaican track team.
All right.
If you remember last Olympics, as well as we did, we had nothing. You didn't have a hat, a button,
Not a thing.
T-shirt.
No.
You had nothing to say, boy, let me show some of the product.
You notice I said nothing. Jeff said nothing. All right. So, how you came up with this concept?
Well, you know, the concept has been something that you know, we've been thinking about and putting together for 3 years actually. And the larger vision is to create an e-commerce platform that showcases and markets the many talents of the great artisans, craftsmen, musicians who come from Jamaica, don't have a platform to sell their product.
Right.
But we decided to use the platform of the Olympics, because you know how excited we get about the
Of
Olympics,
course.
to launch the platform. So this phase is just the first phase of many things to come. Right.
I am really impressed with it, because I remember a year ago you did tell me that there was something in the pipeline.
Yes, I told you there was something coming.
And here we are.
Here we
now
are.
on Saturday will be the official launch.
The
We're
official-
having live broadcast throughout the weekend.
We're having a live broadcast that's scheduled for Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. The broadcast Friday is from 4 p.m. to 10 p.m. Saturday, same time, 4 p.m. to 10 p.m. And Sunday, 2 p.m. to 8 p.m.
Okay.
And during the live broadcast, you can get your gear. Any gear that's available for sale on the website will all be available at Country Kitchen in the Palomano Plaza.
Now, for people who have been hearing about this launch, What has the response been?
Well, the response has been tremendous. You know, I think, as I said earlier, this is the time when we show our pride. There's no nation, no country that's better at track and field than us.
Well, yeah, we were having that discussion. Yeah, you're right.
And you know, this is the time of the year when people get a chance to finally be able to celebrate, you know, the pride in our athletics team by wearing, you know, the type of gear that we've produced. That's just, you know, second to none.
That's right.
Yes.
Now, how did you come up with the labels for each T-shirt?
Well, believe it or not, all of those concepts were concepts that were thought about by me.
By you?
Yes.
Mr. Creative right here.
I'm not creative. You know, I have a great graphic designer who helped me put the creatives together. But I don't sleep much, so all of those concepts, the green, black, gold, as you can see, is with the Jamaican flag dead center. The 876 Nation Rio 2016 is also one of the concepts. I bet you can't tell me what Home of 958 represents. Home of 958 with the lightning bolt in the middle. The lightning bolt should give it away.
Jamaica
958.
958. That's Usain's time.
There you go. Who
well,
said?
I'm an athlete, you know.
There you
Hello.
go. Yeah, I'm saying a smile. Who said that?
Same thing. Right.
You know, so we have the Home of 958 design, and we have the 8766 Nation design. We have about 12 different designs for both male and female that are available for sale.
All right.
In addition to that, we have 5 or 6 different styles of baseball caps, and then with the coffee mugs, about 5 different styles of coffee mugs that are also available for sale.
Now, when I stopped at the store earlier on my way here, I cut to my postcards, and I was looking at one of the hats that you had there, and I'm like, this is really a good idea.
Thank you.
Because here we are in the hype of the games.
Right.
We have a strong contingent.
As always.
That has gone on.
And the contingent needs to be represented by us who are here.
Of course.
Yes.
Of course, I agree. And I said to myself, well, luckily you're just having a one-day lunch, but you're having it throughout the weekend.
Entire weekend.
Because we know that people are transitional here.
Yes, there you go. And that's why we're doing it for 3 days, so it gives everyone an opportunity. If you're available on Friday or Saturday, Sunday, you come by and get your gear. And at the same time, sample some fabulous cuisine, because we'll be doing a lot of different prizes and surprises. And we're doing, you know, wine and different types of beverages, and types of beverages that will be given away for free to who will be attending the function.
And people can always go online as well.
Yes, the website is live, landwelove.com. It doesn't get any simpler than that. If you're Jamaican, you will never forget that. So landwelove.com, and you purchase any of the items that are available for sale on the site. As well as, if you want to call in, you can also call in. 914-733-8484, 914-784-8484. This is on the phones, taking orders right now as we speak.
Oh man, 914-733-8484 or 914-733-8844. Right, two numbers. And ladies and gentlemen, I have my postcards here. So if you didn't catch the number and you'd like to call me, you can here in the studio and give the information to you. Now, what other scoopy detail that's not on here?
Well, we're actually
for public disclosure.
Yes, we're actually on 2 concepts.
Okay.
The landwelove.com concept is strictly for Jamaica and the Jamaican track team and products that will come out of Jamaica.
Right.
But we have a larger concept that we're also launching this weekend for the entire Caribbean.
Oh.
Yes. So this is not just for Jamaica and the Jamaican track team. We're doing something that's all inclusive for anyone that comes from any of the other Caribbean islands. Come down to Country Kitchen. We have something special for you also.
Well, I have to live it to you. Well, I don't.
Well, you don't have a hat.
But I'll get one.
Wait a minute. Give you
a hat. But truthfully, because invariably do find, even if they are in existence this time, people who are really trying to make their brand inclusive like this.
Well, you know, there's so many Caribbean nationals who live throughout North America, and Jamaica is just one of the islands that are not represented by the various, you know, wonderful products that come out of the various islands. And I think it's about time that we have a platform that that showcases the talent and the great products that come out of the Caribbean to the entire world. It's long overdue, and we've partnered with FedEx, UPS, and I think we're very well positioned to move products globally.
Right.
And I think it's long overdue for a platform like this to be created. As I said, the landwelove.com is just the first phase,
Right.
and we will move into a number of other phases to come that will, create a space where, the wonderful talent that comes out of the Caribbean, that is just all the great product can be showcased and sold the world.
That's right.
That's the idea.
Ladies and gentlemen, you're listening to Jacques. He is the CEO at Country Pelham Manor. They are located at 810, that's 810 Pelham Parkway, Pelham Manor, right here in New York. The zip code, if you're not sure, is 10803. And they will be having their weekend. What do I call it other than
Weekend launch.
Weekend launch.
It's a weekend of launches.
Launch Friday.
Launches and lunches.
Yeah, launch and eat Friday,
Yeah.
launch and eat Saturday,
Yes.
launch eat on Sunday.
Absolutely.
Give the times again,
The
Jeff.
time again on Friday is 4 p.m. to 10 p.m. The same time on Saturday, 4 p.m. to 10 p.m. And on Sunday, it's 2 p.m. to 8 p.m.
2 to 8.
You come by and get your gear. It's this is every 4 years, and this is the one time we get to show everybody in America.
Right.
Here's our pride. This is who we are. This is what This is one of the things that we're great at. We're great at many things. This is the one of the wonderful things that we just have the natural talent for, which is track and field.
That's true.
And we need to show our pride.
And can I say, being a former athlete myself, I always say to people, you perhaps don't know me. You have met me in my lifetime now.
Right.
Because I was really
A sprinter.
I was, and if I had not gotten injured,
Right.
because I was a hurdler too.
Oh wow. Didn't know
Yeah, so I fell and my right knee
that.
got damaged, but I was really pushing.
To make the Olympic team.
I wanted a scholarship. I wanted to come here to
Right.
study. A lot of things.
Well, here's what you get to do now. Being that none of that happened for you because you were injured, regretted. Now you get a chance to rock the gear.
And I can rock it. Well,
Yes, you can.
Yeah. Yes, I'll
So
rock the gear.
landwelove.com, landwelove.com, go on and purchase your gear.
All right, landwelove.com,
Yeah.
and you can't miss that, because if anytime you forget it and you say, what the gentleman saying again,
Yeah.
and you start to sing Land of Salt, then you say, oh, landwelove.com.
It's as easy
Isn't
as
that
it gets
easy?
for any of us who are from Jamaica. Yeah.
Wonderful, wonderful. So, ladies and gentlemen, this weekend, Saturday, August 5 to August 7.
Yes, August 5 to
August
August
5
7.
through August
Yes, Friday,
7.
Saturday, and Sunday. The launch of landwelove.com at Country Kitchen Restaurant at 10 Pelham Parkway in Pelham Manor in the BJ Shopping Center.
The 26 Olympics are here. Get your Team Jamaica gear. I love that. So, who come up with that one? You too?
I was involved in a part of that.
Okay.
One of the great things that has happened with me is that I have some wonderful people who work with me and who support and are a big part of all of what's happening. This is not just me.
Not just you.
So
alone.
shout out to Odessa, to Carrie, to Katie, to Katie Ann, to Louis, to Mark, and to all the wonderful people who kind of help and are
Put it all
to pull this together.
All
Yes.
right. Well, looking forward.
Yes.
I know I have a weekend squeezing in myself somewhere.
Yeah, squeeze us. I know you have fun, son.
This
but
Saturday.
There'll be some at Country Kitchen this weekend also.
Of course. I have my fun Sunday.
Yes, come by on Sunday.
I'll come by.
That's
on
why we're
Sunday.
doing 3 days. So if you're busy on Friday, then you can come on Saturday. And in your case, you're going to be tied up on Saturday through Sunday.
I will be there. Good to see you as always.
You as well.
All right, ladies and gentlemen.
914-733-8484 if you want to put on by way of telephone. And if you want to purchase online, the website again is landwelove.com.
All right, there you go, ladies and gentlemen. So you heard her here. I should say first. I could upset myself and say first.
Yeah, man. Because today is the first official day when I've actually been on the radio, just letting people know.
See
that
what
we
I
are
mean?
here.
See what I mean? Huh.
I messed up tonight. I lost another fight. I still myself, but I'll just start again.
give up around here, do we? I like the theme song, don't you? It's catchy. A minute and counting to the hour of 7 o'clock. Great conversation I just had with Jacques Graham, the CEO of Conch Kitchen, Pelham Manor, 810 Pelham Park, Pelham Manor, New York.